everyone. Tell everybody hi, Malcolm. Come in the camera. I got a special guest with me today. It's my nephew. He's my shadow for.
I'm not shadow. I'm not shadow.
Oh, okay. Well, it's my big guy.
No, I'm not big guy.
Really? For real?
No.
Okay. Well, what are you? You got to come in the camera so they can see you, friend. What are you?
Three.
Well, okay. You want to tell them how old you are?
3.
You're 3? Okay. All right. So, guys, I came across a DIY that we could possibly do or that you could do with the kids at home, and that's create their own book.
I agree.
Okay. They can create their own book, and all it is some construction paper. And I found this book at the Dollar Tree, and it has like different things in it, but it can be a bit overwhelming with all these words and everything. Give me a second.
Oh, the tiger, one tiger.
Right. See, look, he's reading and don't even know it. But yeah. So what I did was I found like some pictures in this book, and I cut them out, and I made a word book for them. And this word book is about our amazing body, right? Okay, let me talk. So, on the inside, what I did, I cut out the pictures, if you can see it. I cut out the pictures. And then these little squares right here, I found stickers where Malcolm can peel the stickers off, which encourages fine motor skills. He can pull the stickers out and match to the blocks that doesn't have the pictures of the body parts. So let's try this. You want to try it?
Yeah.
You ready? Okay. Okay, first I want you to read some of these words that's in the book. Arm. Good job, Malcolm. It's an arm. I hope you guys can see this. Can you tell me what this is?
Die.
What is it? Eye. Good job. What is this right here?
Teeth.
Is that teeth? Yes, it's teeth. Okay. Can you tell me what is this picture of?
Mouth.
What is it? It is a mouth, but what's inside of your mouth? What's inside your mouth? What is that? Can you tell me what that is? Is it your tongue? Tongue. Good job. Okay, so can you sit up on your knees so they can see you? Get up on your knees. I want them to be able to see you in the camera. Get up. Sit up. Get up. And come in. Yeah, come in this way. All right, good job. So what I want you to do now, I want you to grab these stickers and pull them off. And where do you think, what sticker on here, what is that?
Yeah.
Is that a face? So where do you think that sticker go? Where would that sticker go? Can you take that sticker off for me and put it where it goes? Can you match it to the yellow square? Good job, Malcolm. You did it. Okay, so now you have. Okay, we have a blue square right here. Can you see the blue square? Do you see the blue square?
Yeah.
Right. Can you which one goes right there? Did you find the blue one?
Yeah.
Okay. Show them that you know which one is the blue square.
Yeah.
Point it to the camera. Show it to the camera. Do you have it? No, Malcolm, that's green. We want the blue one, which is the eyebrow. Eyebrow. Yes.
Look at Titi.
Pull it off for me. Can you take it off? Yeah. And see, he's using those fine motor skills to take that sticker off. Good job. And put it where it goes. Awesome. Yay. Good job, big guy. All right. So now you have to find the purple square. What goes right here in the purple square, Malcolm? What is that? No, what is it a picture of? Purple, but what is it a picture of? Okay, well, go with the green. Take the green one off since it's easier. Okay, go for the green then. Where does the green one go? Okay.
Coffee. You're not alright.
It's on there. It's on. Good job. All right. So now you have to get the purple one off. Try it. You gotta try hard. I think you can do it. I believe you can do it. Can you use your fingers like this? Good job. Okay, so where do the purple one go?
There.
And what is that a picture of?
The ear.
An ear. Good job. All right. So I'm so proud of you. High five, buddy. All right. So again, guys, this is just a little DIY.
Alright.
Don't do that. This is just a DIY first book that they could, do and engage in. And I use those fine motor skills to peel the stickers off and attach them to the color blocks. Okay, thank you, friend. Okay, all right. So, yeah, and you can see it's created by Malcolm. All right, so hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And we'll see you soon. Bye.